Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VOCAB Jab. So our today's word is proponent. So what does it mean? It means a person who speaks or argues, often publicly, in support of a particular idea or persuades people to do something. If you haven't understood the word, please pause the video and read the sentence again. And do not worry, here are few similar words that will help you understand the word better. Advocate, supporter, promoter, etc. Now let us see how can we use the word proponent in a sentence. So here is the first sentence. The kids might be a proponent of longer vacations, but the parents are proponent of a longer school year, which means that the kids might want or advocate that the vacations should be longer, but parents want longer school years. Let us take one more example. He has always been a strong proponent of women's rights, which means he has always supported the idea that women should have equal rights with that of other sections of the society. So that was it for today. Here's hoping that you will use the word proponent in one of the sentences that you formed today. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.